Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Former President Pranab Mukherjee passes away. Former President Pranab Mukherjee died on Monday in an army hospital here, his son Abhijit said. He was 84. Mukherjee was admitted to hospital on August 10 and a health bulletin this morning said he was in a deep coma and on ventilator support. With a heavy heart, this is to inform you that my father, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, has just passed away in spite of the best efforts of doctors of RR Hospital and prayers and prarthanas from people throughout India. I thank all of you, folded hands, his son Abhijit Mukherjee tweeted. Sita-Rama irrigation project works at brisk pace, Puvara. In a welcome development, Package 3 of the Sita-Rama lift irrigation project has been completed and the works on the remaining 7 packages are moving at a brisk pace. The package is an important component of the project and its completion is 1 year behind schedule. However, the officials were in a happy mood on finishing the package works, wherein an 8-kilometer long canal was built at a cost of Rs 500 crore. 10,004 new COVID-19 positive cases in Andhra Pradesh. For the sixth day in a row, more than 10,000 fresh COVID-19 cases were reported as Andhra Pradesh COVID-19 graph continued its steep spiral to reach 4,34,771 on Monday. And Andhra Pradesh has become the second state behind Maharashtra to have more than 1 lakh active coronavirus cases. Hyderabad City Police gear up for idol immersion. A coordination meeting was held by the Hyderabad City Police with different departments and agencies on arrangements for Ganesh immersion on Tuesday. The City Police officials discussed various measures and arrangements to be taken up for the smooth immersion of the Ganesh idols at different immersion points in the city. Officials from the Power, Irrigation, GHMC, HMW, S&SB, Fire Services, Health, Road and Buildings, Disaster Management and Revenue departments participated in the meeting. Hyderabad cops book lockdown violation case against Bibi Ka Alarm procession. 6 cases were registered by Hyderabad City Police for violations of lockdown guidelines during the Bibi Ka Alarm procession. The cases were registered in the Mir Chowk, Chandir Ghat, Rayan Bazar, Dabirpura and Charminar police stations following complaints made by police officers who were on duty and noticed the violations. The police have invoked the Disaster Management Act 1950, the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897 and government orders issued for COVID-19 pandemic control against the persons who had violated the orders. Don't neglect COVID symptoms, says Airtel. The COVID-19 related mortality was less, but the ailment tends to impact people who neglect the early symptoms. Delayed diagnosis of COVID-19 affects lungs and becomes fatal, posing a threat to patients, Health Minister Airtel Rajendra on Monday said. Rajendra said all the efforts to contain COVID by the state government will not yield results unless there is cooperation from the society. Despite rapid advances in technology, there is a definite sense of fear among the general public towards COVID-19. The pandemic has created socio-economic challenges which will leave lasting impact on individuals and families. In such times of crisis, I feel that individuals must work towards the well-being of the society, he said. Vijayawada's Kanakadurga flyover inauguration to be held on September 4. Endowments Minister Velampalli Srinivasa Rao said the much-awaited Kanakadurga flyover will be inaugurated on September 4. Speaking after inaugurating various development works in Vijayawada West Assembly constituency, Velampalli blamed the opposition PDP for delay in completion of Durga flyover and demanded an explanation from Chandrababu Naidu on why he could not complete the project in 5 years. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.